Hi guys, James Keirstead here, President and CEO of Levven Electronics. We're here at our manufacturing facility in Edmonton, Alberta, where we make everything all under one roof. In fact, why don't I take you on back and show you? This is our manufacturing facility. We chose to manufacture right here in Alberta because I always felt like we needed to have proximity, quality, and immunity for our customers. One of the benefits of having engineering, production, all in one facility, it allows us to hold a tight quality control over our products. So we work exclusively with builders and contractors right here in North America. And that's why having a footprint nice and close to them is a big advantage. If they have issues, concerns, they can address us in their own language. They can work with us quickly to resolve any of those issues. So why don't we take a moment and I'll take you around and introduce you to Todd, our head of engineering.
Hi, I'm Todd Phelps, VP of Engineering here at Levven. Every idea coming to the engineering team is evaluated at the start just with a simple question. What are our customers' unmet needs? So we're highly motivated to, get down and build something that we think is really cool. But that also has to be tempered a bit by understanding we're making this for customers. Their problems are not our problems. This research step is a collaborative process in the product team. We leverage the expertise of our engineers, customer-facing teams, and our journeyman electrician. From there, we design solutions that not only address those needs, but that set a new standard for reliability and performance. We leverage rapid prototyping and automated testing to prove out ideas quickly. We develop electronics and firmware and software in-house, and we work with our sister company, Flexum, to design product enclosures that are manufactured right here in Edmonton. Levven's fully committed to safety and security. Our products are tested for compliance to North American safety standards and government standards by leading agencies including UL and Intertek. Once we've ensured that every product we deliver performs as promised and meets the rigorous safety and reliability expectations of our customers, we work with our production team on an ongoing basis to ensure consistent delivery of a high-quality product. All right, but enough tech talk. We can go and take a look at how we manufacture this product right here in our own building.
Hi, my name is Nabil. I am the Director of Manufacturing at Levven, and I will give you a quick tour on how to assemble a board level. The first step in the process is to take the circuit board, run it through the printer to apply the solder paste to it. The solder paste will provide the stickiness required for the components to stick into that specific location, and it will also provide the material that would weld the components onto the circuit board. Now you will also see here the chip shooter. This is where we're placing the resistors, the capacitors, all the chips onto the circuit board. Every circuit board that goes through these machines gets inspected at the end of the machine just to make sure that the placement is accurate and to verify polarities. Jung is the person who is doing the inspection on the circuit board and placing them in the oven. After the board comes out from the oven, we would do another visual inspection, and from there we would collect the batch and proceed to the automated optical inspection. And Maisa is the one who's operating the machine. She will take the circuit board, places it on the carrier, put it inside the machine. The machine will do the inspection at a really, really high speed, and the machine doesn't get tired like the human eyes.
You've now met Todd in engineering. You've seen our circuit boards getting made in the factory. Now why don't we take a walk through here and I'll show you the completed product. But better yet, why don't I send you over to Flexum Manufacturing, our sister company, where they actually injection mold all of our plastic parts.
Hi, I'm John. I'm a design engineer here at Flexum Manufacturing, and welcome to our space. So we service a variety of different sectors. Right now, one of our biggest areas is home automation. So our goal is to keep everything under one roof here at Flexum. We do have everything from design, injection mold design, prototyping, manufacturing of injection molds, and we're able to shoot the molds here in-house. And if you want to follow me through here, so this is the first step where Levven's parts get made. Each part gets injection molded, all the pieces get molded individually, and then we assemble them later on. So through this door, we've got 4 Japanese injection molding machines that we've all retrofitted with PLC controllers and machine vision to make sure that they can run fully autonomously. The benefit of having all this automation on our machines is that the operators can focus on higher level tasks rather than the nitty-gritty of running machine, opening and closing the door every cycle, that kind of stuff. So this is right where we run Levven's switch parts. These get knocked out 6 shots every minute or so, all day, until we get the order filled. So here we've got our cobot that we've nicknamed Eva, and she's feeding our laser marking device. So the goal here is that each of the parts gets separately marked with all the information that UL needs to certify these parts for sale. The goal here was that we could have marked these in the mold, but it wouldn't be very readable. So with the laser marking, we get a very nice indelible label that gives all the information to UL, and it can be quickly changed if needed. So Levven switches require a small LED light tube to transmit light from the back of the board to the front of the part. So we had designed and built this equipment, and its purpose is to assemble these 2 pieces. So we've got 2 bowl feeders that vibrate and feed the parts together, and then some simple automation to pick up, place, and insert the light tube, and then feed it down into the tray.
Hi, my name is Santosh Bhaskaran. I'm the Director of Marketing at Levven. Here we have our entire switch-right product line. Here we have the 2 styles of switches. We have the decorator style switch. This is our retrofit version, where this gets installed on a box or on any surface, and it fits any decorator style wall plate. And this is our flagship product for the new home construction market. It's minimal, it's sleek, and it's fast to install. So here we have a single switch, and this uses a snap-on screwless wall plate that takes less than 30 seconds to install. And another cool part about our switches is how they form their multi-gang. So here we have 2 switches. The switches snap on together like so, forming a 2-gang plate. And there you have a 2-gang switch, which takes up 50% less space compared to traditionally wired switch plates. And we can go up to 3 and 4 gang switch locations. So these are all the transmitters. The switches operate as transmitters. You still need a receiver on the other side, taking in the command and acting upon it. So here we have the 1.5 amp dimmer power controller. And then here we have the 10 amp on-off power controller. This is the workhorse of our product line. And then here we have our 20 amp power controller, which is used for switching plugs. And then finally, we have the Q gateway here, which is the brain of the switch-right system. This is the only device that connects to the internet. Everything else is operated off of radio frequency. So this is the device that enables voice assistant integrations through Google Home and Amazon Alexa, and also remote access via the Levven Controls application. So the entire switch-right system is accessible through the Levven Controls application. So you can do things like name the devices, you can reconfigure what a switch operates, and it's as easy as going into the device and scrolling down to see the switches list, and then pressing the pencil icon there, and then now I can assign any switch that's in the home to operate this particular device. And this is how easy it is to create a master switch. So you can have one switch controlling all the devices in your home, or you can have one switch controlling your basement or a specific location in your home.
Okay, so we've taken a trip around. We've seen the manufacturing where the circuit boards are made. You went over to Flexim to see where the plastics are made, and then how it all gets integrated here at Levven. And everything we've done here at Levven is designed to make homes more affordable, personal, and sustainable. Thank you very much for coming on by.